a 1999 Honda StepWagon. It has 59,211 miles on it. It comes with the B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, and it does come with an automatic transmission. It does have 2 front doors, 1 rear sliding door, and also a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of this vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to point out this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So the number y'all are seeing up here, 95,310. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 59,211. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and start with the driver's side. We are on the passenger side, the front tire. All right, passenger side, rear tire. All right, we're on the driver's side, rear tire. I do want to tell you guys thank you so much. Thank you for the continual support. We do appreciate you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.